In this section, we will show you how to customize your Windows 11 experience, such as realigning the Start button, adding more options to your right-click menu, and personalizing the Quick Settings panel. First, let's see how to realign the Start button. By default, Windows 11 centers the taskbar icons on the screen. But if you prefer the old Windows 10 look, you can easily move them to the left. To do that, right-click anywhere on the taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings. Then scroll down until you see Taskbar Behaviors and change Taskbar Alignment to left. You can also adjust other settings like icon size, corner overflow, and badge notifications. Next, let's see how to add more options to your right-click menu. Windows 11 has simplified the context menu that appears when you right-click on a file or folder. It has an icon bar at the top and a Show More Options item at the bottom. But if you want to access more functions without clicking on Show More Options, you can use a free tool called Windows 11 Classic Context Menu. This tool restores the old Windows 10 context menu with all its features and options. You can download it from GitHub and run it as an administrator. Then you can choose which items you want to show or hide on your context menu. Finally, let's see how to personalize the Quick Settings panel. This is the panel that appears when you click on the network, battery, or sound icons on the taskbar. It lets you access some common settings like brightness, volume, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. But you can also customize it to add or remove tiles according to your preferences. To do that, click on the Edit button at the bottom of the panel. Then you can drag and drop tiles to rearrange them, or click on Add or Remove buttons to change them. You can also access more settings by clicking on All Settings at the top of the panel. These are some of the ways you can customize your Windows 11 experience and make it your own. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. One of the new features in Windows 11 is the Widgets panel. This is a handy tool that lets you access personalized and up-to-date information on weather, news, sports, stocks, and more with a swipe of your screen. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Widgets feature on Windows 11 and customize it to your liking. To open the Widgets panel, you can click on the icon in the taskbar that looks like a rectangle with 4 smaller rectangles inside it. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Windows key +W or swipe from the left edge of your touch screen. The Widgets panel will fly out from the left side of the screen and show you various types of content in the form of small widgets. You can scroll up and down to see more widgets or click on any widget to expand it and see more details. You can also add, resize, rearrange, and remove any of the available widgets to make the experience more personal. To add more widgets, click on the plus button next to your profile menu at the top right corner of the panel. You'll see a list of widgets that you can choose from, such as watch list, traffic, gaming, weather, to-do, tips, sports, entertainment, family safety, Outlook calendar, and photos. Just click on the plus button for each widget you want to add, and it will appear on your panel. To resize a widget, hover over it and click on the 3 dots icon at the top right corner. You'll see options to make it small, medium, or large. To rearrange a widget, hover over it and drag it to a different position on the panel. To remove a widget, hover over it and click on the 3 dots icon again. Then click on Remove Widget. Some widgets also allow you to customize their content and settings. For example, you can change your location for the weather widget or select your favorite leagues and teams for the sports widget. To do this, hover over the widget and click on the gear icon at the top left corner. You'll see a menu where you can adjust your preferences. The widget's icon in the taskbar also shows you some information at a glance, such as the current weather or breaking news alerts. You can enable or disable this feature by right-clicking on the icon and selecting Show Icon and Text or Hide Icon and Text. That's how you can use the new widgets feature on Windows 11 to get personalized and up-to-date information on weather, news, sports, stocks, and more with a swipe of your screen. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.